So a lame recovery, and you can't call it as a recovery because Dow Jones closed in red, S&P 500 closed in red, and Nasdaq was flat. So after a slide of 2%, a lame recovery is not at all giving you confidence for the next trading session. And this is not about individual trading session. This is indicating that something big is about to happen, because just read this headline: Fed minutes show members resolved to keep fighting inflation with rate hikes. It simply means there are more to come in the upcoming months. Okay, so it's not going to die down with 0.25 basis point or 50 basis point rate hike. And if Fed members are serious, then we can see 2-3% hike. I'm talking about percentage, I'm not talking about basis points. 2-3 percentage hike in the upcoming months. So it's going to be something big. So be ready for something big to happen. If indications are always there. So we are restricting our analysis for today's trading session. So let's go to the chart and let us see what is happening as far as the price actions are concerned. So what do we have here? Just have a look at it. For the past couple of months, Dow Jones is indeed very reluctant to surpass this particular level and it has become a big resistance in the last couple of weeks and months, 34,320. And then with a 600-700 point down move, it has already broken one major support level, which turns into your immediate resistance, and it will be 33,300. Now what lies ahead is the next question, or is the big question that we have in front of us. So if you are looking at this price action, what you're gonna see will be something like this. So here we are. So if Dow Jones continues to sustain above 33,300, then we will move towards 32,600 and 32,334. So right now this is the range. We have already rejected the upper end of the range. Any upside will continue if Dow Jones continue or started trading above and continue to sustain above 33,300. If it does not, then be ready for 32,600 and 32,334. And these are very prominent support level. Because if Dow Jones started falling below these two levels, then obviously a big downside may open up going forward. So be very careful. Next, talking about the Nasdaq, and the kind of fall we have seen in Nasdaq is indeed quite brutal, and it seems like the rally is fizzling out right now, and that's what we need to understand. And let me tell you what is happening. So here we are. This is one of the major support level, and Nasdaq now trading below this level. So which simply means right now for Nasdaq you have resistance at 11,638 and 11,690. If only if you want to go long, let's wait for Nasdaq to surpass and sustain above 11,690. If it does not happen, if Nasdaq continues to trade below 11,638, okay, if Nasdaq continues to trade below 11,638, we will move towards 11,359 and 11,000 on the downside. So this is what we're gonna see. So it breaks below its immediate support, and now immediate support will turn into a resistance. Let us see about the price move in S&P 500, and you can clearly see what is happening as far as S&P 500 is concerned. So here we are. It's actually showing a range, and we are S&P 500 is moving towards the lower end of the range. Okay, so what do we have here? So as far as support is concerned, S&P 500 is moving towards 3850, where it finds the support. but it will again be a stop loss as well, because if uh, S&P 500 falls below 3850, then a downside will start again. So right now everything is happening within a limited range. We need further confirmation, but this is not good. This is not at all good. Lame recovery, and in one index, and the next two indices closed in red after a big down move. And if it does not sustain, if recovery does not continue, talking about big recovery, I'm not talking about 50-60 point, then let me tell you, we are here for something big. Okay, something big is about to happen, so please be aware about that fact. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.